Welcome back to Ocean USA Tito Tetute. In this video, we will show you how we build our chicken coop. At kung gusto mo ng forever, gawa ka ng matibay na pundasyon like this.
Okay. We just ordered a prefabricated chicken coop from the Chicken Coop Company.
First step is
This is the anchor for that chicken coop, so it can't be moved. So we'll drill some holes here to screw it to this. Then we'll do the same thing on this side, and then these sides here. When we put the side up like that, there'll be anchors for it. Okay.
A, B, C, D, and E are the names of the panels repaired to the key. I thought the door, you're going to put it there.
Huh?
I thought the door.
It'll go on top of it.
Oh, that one?
Yeah.
Oh, I see. Use 12 screws from the bag labeled P1 to connect these panels. It is important to use the pre-drilled holes as the starting point. What is it?
The bag of hardware that comes with the chicken coop.
This is the bag
Bag of hardware.
Be sure to line up panels before screwing together. Make sure C and D are facing the right direction. Check to see which side has the pre-drilled holes.
The associated hardware that comes with the prefabricated chicken coop. Now we're going to pre-assemble these chicken boxes that go below the nesting boxes. Assemble the nesting boxes. The pre-assembled boxes to the chicken coop. Now I'm attaching the metal handle that slides back and forth in order to close the chicken coop door. attaching the ladder nesting boxes. Now inserting the roosting rods. Now we will install the roof on the chicken coop. Attaching the nesting box covers. Now I'm going to install the flashing in order to keep the rain out of the nesting boxes. Inserting the poop tray. Installing the eyelets and hooks in order to hold the nesting door boxes open. Nesting doors also have a temporary holder that holds the box open while you collect the eggs. And now we will attach the chicken run to the coop. Install slats in order to hold the panels together for the chicken run. Here is our final assembled new chicken coop and home for our new chickens. Thank you for watching.